The call of comfort. A moment wrapped in a warm mug, where calories are whispers of love and health-conscious choices can kindly take the day off. Allow me to guide you on this indulgent journey, dear soul, to a cup of happiness that does not apologize for being, well, a little extra. Here's what you'll need. 2 packs of Swiss Miss hot chocolate. I prefer dark chocolate, but go with milk chocolate if you want. A mountain or a sprinkle of small marshmallows or whipped cream, the choice is yours. Whole milk, the kind that feels like a hug, or substitute if you must, but the richness of whole milk is your true north here. You'll need a measuring cup, a mug of your choosing. It's really your throne for this chocolatey masterpiece, am I right? And of course, a trusty spoon. First, grab your measuring cup, pour milk into it like a true artist gauging their canvas. Fill it about 2/3 full. Feel it, embrace it. Yeah, that's the sweet spot. Microwave your milk in the measuring cup for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let it get piping hot, the kind of warm that says, I'm here to melt your worries away. Watch the milk spin in the microwave, a tiny storm of creamy potential. Then, tear open your Swiss Miss packets with the flair of someone unlocking treasure. Pour the velvety cocoa powder into your mug, both packs, no skimping. You deserve every ounce of this decadence. Now, the Christmas alchemy begins. Slowly, and I mean slowly, pour the hot milk into your mug. Pause, stir, repeat the process. Watch as the cocoa powder swirls and dissolves as you pour more milk in, stirring steadily, avoiding those pesky clumps. This is a true art form, a ritual if you will. By the time the milk's all in, your mixture will be a silky masterpiece. Top it all off with marshmallows, an avalanche or a delicate sprinkle, it's your symphony. Or whipped cream, the choice is yours, or leave out both entirely if you want to. But remember, marshmallows are tiny clouds of joy. Then it's time to take that first sip. The hot chocolate is ready. Let the richness envelop you. This isn't just hot chocolate. It's a declaration of comfort, a rebellion against blandness, a liquid hug, if you will. Smile, because you've earned this moment. Enjoy, and let the world melt away, just like these marshmallows, or just like your whipped cream. Health may knock at your door later, but tonight, it can wait. Merry Krampus, everybody.